Replacing the main suspension arm on the w213 and the tie rod, and in my case tie rod, main suspension arm. First need to unscrew this. It's a 24 millimeter. Then unscrew this one. It's gonna be a 21. Another 21 here with an external Torx on the other side there. It's gonna be a 22 external Torx. And after that, careful with this bastard, this one here. This, if it's not pushed in, it will spin like a bastard. It happened to me on the other side. So you're gonna need another 21 to loosen this. So then basically remove that bolt, take it out, then it will lose tension and you can get this one out. Get this one from the shock absorber out, and then you can pull it from the carrier here. So that's the whole thing. Mine, it's a 300 DE hybrid, so it is the same. I had 220E diesel. It's the same on all of them. The main arm and the tie rod is gonna be this one, which is another 21. So yeah, hope you find this video interesting and helpful.